Right now, buried inside you, there's a skill so valuable, someone would happily pay you $5,000 this month just to use it. And here's the crazy part: you don't even realize you have it yet. I've seen a college student turn meme making into $4,200 a month. Grandma monetize hers annoying habit of correcting grammar for $6,000 a month. Even a broke barista who started getting paid just for knowing how to use Instagram better than cafe owners. What if I told you there's a skill you already have today that could be making you $5,000 every month? And no, I'm not talking about some special talent or years of experience. I'm not talking about complicated business plans or expensive courses. I'm talking about something so simple, so obvious, that 99% of people completely overlook it while struggling paycheck to paycheck. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find your hidden money-making skill and turn it into cold, hard cash starting this week. The big lie about making money. 3 dangerous myths trap most people. You need to be an expert to make real money. You need expensive equipment or education. You need years of experience before you can charge. Let me destroy these myths one by one. First, the expert myth. The internet has completely changed the game. Today, you don't need to be the best. You just need to be slightly better than someone willing to pay you. My friend Sarah knew nothing about social media when she started. She just knew how to take better photos than the local pizza shop owner. 3 months later, she was making $5,200 per month managing Instagram accounts. Second, the equipment myth. Right now, with just your smartphone and free tools like Canva, you could be writing simple website copy for 200 pages, editing 200 pages, editing podcasts for 50 episodes, managing Facebook ads for small businesses. Third, the experience myth. Experience matters far less than confidence and proof. When I started my first side hustle, proofreading, I had zero professional experience. I just showed samples of me fixing my friends' resumes and charged $25 per page. How to find your $5,000 skill, step by step. Step 1. Discover your hidden skills. The most valuable skills are things you do automatically without thinking. Ask yourself, what do friends, coworkers, family always ask for your help with? What tasks do you find easy that others struggle with? What do you enjoy doing in your free time? Real examples from my students. A stay-at-home mom made $3,800 organizing Google Drive folders. A college student earned $3,800 per month organizing Google Drive folders. A college student earned $4,200 per month editing TikTok videos. A retired teacher made $5,500 per month helping with college essays. Step 2. Validate the market before spending time. Check if people will pay. Search Facebook groups, your city small business owners, Reddit, R4Hire and R/Slave-Labor, Fiverr, Upwork. See what similar services charge. Step 3. Package your offer. Simply bad. I do social media. Good. I'll create 30 high-quality posts plus captions for your bakery each month for $500. Step 4. Find your first clients. Local businesses. Walk in and ask the owner. Facebook groups. Search. Need help with skill. Cold email. Template in description. The psychology of pricing. Most beginners undercharge because they compare themselves to experts. Wrong. Don't understand value. A 500 services cheap. Fear rejection. You'll always have haters. Your 30-day action plan. Week 1. Identify 3 potential skills. Research what others charge. Create simple portfolio samples. Week 2. Pitch 5 local businesses. Post in 3 Facebook groups. Land first client at any price. Week 3. Refine your offer based on feedback. Raise prices 20% for new clients. Systemize your service. Week 4. Add upsells. Would you like weekly analytics for $50 more? Ask for testimonials. Outsource repetitive tasks. Closing challenge. Here's what I want you to do right now. Pause this video. Open your Notes app. Write down 1 skill you could get paid for. Comment, skill found, below. I'll reply to every comment with the exact script to charge your first $500, a list of where to find clients, my free pricing calculator. Smash that like button if you're ready to make 2024 your richest year yet. Subscribe, because next week, I'm showing how to double your income with the same skill. Remember, the only difference between you and someone making $5,000 a month right now is they took action first.